Quick help with the Lufthansa Chat Assistant. The Lufthansa Chat Assistant helps with questions concerning your flight at any time. For example, if your flight has been cancelled at short notice and you would like to rebook. It's really easy. If your Austrian Airlines, Lufthansa or Swiss flight unfortunately had to be cancelled at short notice, we will inform you via email. Select the option Check Rebooking to go directly to the Lufthansa Chat Assistant. Here you'll find a free alternative flight quickly and easily. Select Find Alternatives and rebook for free, and enter your booking code and your last name. You will then get information about your current booking. To rebook your ticket to another flight, select Search Alternative Flight. You'll now receive a selection of other flights. Simply swipe from one to the next to see all flights. To find out more, click on Details. Have you found a suitable flight? If so, select it and then complete the process by clicking Rebook Now. Finally, you'll receive an email confirmation of your rebooking. That's it. Easy and without waiting times. The Lufthansa Chat Assistant is available with more services at any time. Please visit lufthansa.com/chat.